Hey everybody, it's Neil, and when I'm cleaning around the house and cleaning up some of Penny's nastiness and stuff, it's nice to have some gloves, so I got myself these vinyl gloves. Also good for if you have like an RV or something, you're emptying the black tank, or just anything around the house where you just don't want to get goop in your hands. So these are what the gloves look like here. So it comes with a big pack of 100 black gloves. And so I'll show you guys what they are here. I got size large, and this is the size of my hand, so it's a regular size hand, I guess. So let's try this on and see, and these are vinyl, disposable vinyl gloves. So this is what it looks like here. They're super thin. I can totally feel everything through it. I'm holding on to this. I can totally feel all the little lines on it and everything. Some of maybe I could have gotten away with maybe a medium or something, but this is a good size. For me, it's perfect. And then it's got the little cuff on here, so then when I'm done and I've touched all the grossness and everything like that, I can just kind of peel it off here, and it'll kind of turn it inside out, and then all the goopness stays inside. So pretty cool. And it seems nice and solid here. They don't rip. Not gonna rip too easy here, is it? How am I gonna rip it? Ugh. Well, I guess it's really stretchable, and there we go. Finally, I was able to rip it. So you see, I gotta put a lot of strength in it. So these are gonna be nice, sturdy gloves. Very good. So now I have 99 left, but these are great. So vinyl gloves. It's does it have a? It's by SWIFTLITE. SWIFTLITE. So very cool. I like them. Thumbs up.